Well, hello there, YouTube. Well, the Troop Motor Trike worked on my trike the same day. They replaced the shock bushings, top and bottom, because they were worn out on both sides. They had one air line that was rubbing, and it was like pretty much worn through. So I replaced that, but then he sprayed soapy water on each one of the airbags, and they had minor leaks, so he put new airbags on both sides. So it's really, I don't know if you can see this, but if it's flashing, you can, let's see if I air it up. Hopefully it's not flashing. It says it's 28 pounds now, and you can listen to it when it goes down. Hold on. Hear it? Whoop. More than 6. Usually about 20. £20 works for me. Here we go, 21. But anyway, you can see if you pump it up, the frame rises above the wheels. Actually, I could show you. Pretty cool. See if I can, I don't know if I can do it. Let me try it on this side. Yeah, I might be able to try it on this side. Watch how it raises up. It raises up off the wheels. Ooh, I'm at 52. Listen to this. Letting the air out. Anyway, it rides really nice now, like it's supposed to. So we'll take this on the trailer and take it up to Utah whenever we get going. I guess making a list of things I need to take. So a Goldwing rides like it used to now. Bye.